Hey everyone, today's tutorial is for this rainbow gradient ruffian design. I did these nails last week as a sort of end of summer mani to transition into all the autumn designs that I'll be doing in the upcoming weeks. To start, I applied a base coat to all of my nails and then painted them with a white polish. I then applied a latex barrier around my nails and waited for everything to dry. For the rainbow gradient, I decided to use 3 colors on each nail, so for my index finger I used pink, orange, and yellow, adding the colors to a makeup sponge in reverse order since the sponge will be reversed on my nails. I dabbed the polishes onto my nails before continuing the pattern on my other nails. For each new nail I phased out the first polish and added the next color in the rainbow, so orange, yellow, and green for my middle nail, yellow, green, and blue for my ring finger, and green, blue, and purple for my pinky. I also used blue, purple, and pink for my thumb, although I didn't film that part. Once I had the first coat done for each nail, I added more polish to the sponges and continued dabbing my nails until they were opaque. You'll want to give your nails a little time to dry in between applications, or you'll just end up removing some of the wet colors underneath and needing more layers. After each nail was opaque, I removed the latex before continuing on to the next nail. If you don't immediately remove the latex, the polish will start drying and the latex won't peel up as cleanly. Once the rainbow gradient was complete, I used a black polish to paint the ruffian design on each nail. I just placed the brush partway down the nail from the cuticle and painted downwards, and then I repeated the motion on each side, leaving a curved shape that almost looks like a smaller nail. I then carefully touched up the edges of the black so they were a bit smoother. Once the black polish had dried, I applied a top coat to all of my nails. I hope you all liked this simple design and let me know if you're excited to see all the upcoming autumn manis that I have planned.